Jerry, an electrician, worked 9 months out of the year. What percent of the year did he work? So, ang tinatanong natin, what percent of the year? So, ibig sabihin lang yan, yung given natin, i-divide lang natin kung ilan yung year. So, ang given, meron tayong 9 months. 9 months out of the year, what percent of the year? So, yung given na 9 months, i-divide lang natin sa ilang months meron sa isang taon out of the year. So, we have 12 months in a year. So, 9 divided by 12. Then, convert lang natin ito sa percent. 9 over 12, pwedeng i-lowest term, i-divide natin both by 3. So, divide both by 3. So, therefore, we have 3 over 4. And then, convert 3 over 4 in percent. May shortcut tayo dito. Ang ibig sabihin ng percent ay divided by 100. So, pag ginawa nating fraction, over 100 dapat. So, ang gawin na lang natin itong 3/4. Isip tayo ng number pag minultiply sa 4, magiging 100. That is 25. 4 times 25 is 100. So 3 times 25 is equal to 75. Therefore, the answer is 75 over 100 or 75%, which is letter C. Or another way is just divide. 3 divided by 4, we will get decimal 0.75 and then convert in percent. So same answer, 75%. Follow for more.